This video was made by Luis González, Eliana Mesino, José Martínez and Miguel Méndez, students from Universidad Autónoma del Caribe on the subject Automatic Control in the Electronic Engineering Department. The main idea of the video is software for wireless link.
Before talking about a software that simulates a link of wireless system, I want to remember the concept of this one. A wireless link is a connection where the ends of the system of communication, transmitter and receiver, are linked by the physical propagation medium. In this case, is used the electromagnetic waves modulation and send it across by the free space. That is, physical systems are only present in the transmitter and receiver system. For example, antennas, laptops, cell phones, among others. For designing a wireless link, it is necessary to establish the frequency of the wave and simulate the system using some software in order to obtain topographic profiles, loss in the links, parameters of radiation from antennas, power values, among others. In this way, optimizing the design of the link. In this case, we will use a software called Radio Model. Radio Model is a tool to analyze and plan the operation of a stationary or mobile radio. This software uses digital data map with terrain elevation along with data from radio station and sound algorithm. Radio propagation models developed to obtain the signal levels at different points of a path. The model, which is based this software, is on electromagnetic theory and on a statistical analysis of both terrain features and radio measurements. Predicts the median attenuation of radio signals as a function of distance and the variability of the signal in time and in space.
Longly rise model. The propagation calculation algorithm used with radio mobile is the Longly rise, also known as irregular terrain model or ITM. It is based on electromagnetic theory and statistical analysis of terrain features and various link parameters, predicting the mean attenuation of radio signal that is propagated at ground level and on below ground. To do this, calculate the mean attenuation of the same, depending on the distance and the variability of the signal in space and time. This was designed for working frequencies from 20 MHz to 20 GHz and path lengths between 1 km and 2,000 km. The nature of the model requires some additional parameters. Polarization must be specific if you work with horizontal or vertical polarization. The Longly rise model assumes that both antennas have the same polarization, vertical and horizontal. Refractivity. Refractivity in the atmosphere determines how much bending or curvature will suffer the radio waves. Permittivity. Relative permittivity, or the electric constant of the medium, is about typical values tabulated. Conductivity. Conductivity, measured in Siemens per meter, is about values typical tabulated.
After listening, my brain has myself about is the radio model. It is and characteristics of the radio model. What is radio model? This is a tool for design and simulation of wireless. Predicts the performance of two radio lines. Use digital maps and GIS, Geographical Information System. Has 12 and any other digital must even be visited by yourself. Features work from 20 kHz to 100 GHz. Check for line on site. Calculator path loss screwing lost the two juxtaposed press. Network of different topologies. Net master sled, BTP and PNP. ATN. Distance between two terminals. Antenna structural A-wave numbers. Measuring in units of reciprocal length. Terrain irregularity parameters.
Especially about radio model is a very useful tool for people who need to simulate radio links. Now I will show in detail to this over example. When you open the program, a new window is opened to place the initial value of the number of network and system, in which we leave the default value that appeared. Then click to File and open it. Then open Map. Later, add the unit prepared on the window, enter the latitude and longitude. Then click in Network Prepared and configure the frequency maximum and minimum on this network and select the membership. After that, click in Radio Link and change the antenna age. Until the network works successfully. As you can see, the program showing filters, range, and distribution. Ya.